So hey, this is Paul from Everymind at Work, and I wanted to just create this really quick personal demo video just to show you the Everymind app in action and how it might support your employees' mental health. It would be great to jump on a call to show you it in, of course, more detail and take any questions that you might have. But I wanted to just show you a couple of the main features and, of course, why it can benefit your business and your employees. Now, what we're trying to create with this platform is mental health support in your employees' pockets whenever they need it. And we do it in a variety of different ways. Now, this app is something that they have on their own personal phones, their own personal devices, and we'd create an app specific to your company. So we'd create a company version of your app that is completely customized to you. So where you see the Everymind logo, you would have your own logo. We can embed sort of your company support, company policies, and we can do a lot of other customization to the platform itself. And I'll explain that all more if we, of course, do jump on the call. But to show you some more of the features, the feed really is the driving force behind the app. And when it comes to the feed, we've created over 100 pieces of unique content in-house around mental health and well-being, whether it's bite-sized content around, the benefits of yoga, or whether it's someone sharing their story, or whether it's a meditation, or it could be an article about how do you support someone. You'll see we've got lots and lots of content on the platform, and we're always adding to it. So we're adding to it on a weekly basis at the moment, and the top article is a great example of that. We're listening to users, seeing what they want, and of course this article is very timely, and we're then providing them with content and support and re-engaging with them. So really, all of your employees can come to the feed, they can scroll through, they might be able to find some content and some support, some coping strategies. But equally, if they don't know what they're looking for, they can use the filters. So let's say they're looking to see some personal stories, some personal experience, they can obviously use that filter and watch some of these videos. Or if they're looking to maybe say, I want to support someone else, I want to support a colleague, I want to support a loved one, but I don't know how. Again, this category has articles, videos, again, tons of content in there that helps them with supporting others. So really kind of breaking it down and making it easy for them to find help when they need it. But if they do know what they want, let's say they're looking for some support on anxiety, a quick search, and they'd be able to find, some content, some support around whatever they're searching for. Now, equally, any kind of content that they see that they find really beneficial, all they can then do is save it, bookmark it, and we add it into their wellbeing toolbox. Now, this feature, the wellbeing toolbox, is being used a lot by our users because for them it's individual. They're adding coping strategies, they're adding meditations, they're adding videos that they really, really want to rewatch and engage with to proactively manage their mental health. And this is individual to them. So this is their wellbeing toolbox that they can use on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. This is entirely up to them, but they're coming back into the platform and maybe reminding themselves of a breathing method or doing a meditation. And once they're finished with it, they can then, of course, just remove it from the toolbox. But this is completely individual to every employee. So the feed in the toolbox is really our proactive approach to mental health. But equally, we do know that sometimes they need that extra help in hand. So within support and resources, we have signposting options within other support. So in your version of the app, if you do take this on, this will be more extensive. But just in this test version of the app, I just want to show you how easy it is for me to start texting Shout, which is a 24/7 confidential hotline. A couple of seconds and I'm there and I can get that support if I need it. Equally, if I want to ring any of these hotlines at any time, very quickly, I can do so. So really, we've tried to make it as easy for them within their fingertips to get that extra help in hand if they feel like they need it. We can then, of course, work with you and add any of your existing company support. So if you've got existing initiatives, if you've got an employee assistance program, who is the point of contact within the business, we're working with you on building that out in your version of the app. So we're not here to replace any of the good work, the money that you've already spent. We're here to just simply complement it and build it into our platform. So we can, of course, build in anything within this section here. And then your company policies, if you do want any policies around well-being or mental health or remote working, again, it's completely up to you. It's custom to you. We'd be able to build that in. So it could be more information about your EAP. It could be the fact you have an office dog. There's lots that we can do. And again, all of these options are custom. So it's up to you what you want within the app itself. At the same time, we also offer a weekly webinar every Tuesday at 1 p.m. So all of your employees will be able to gain access to that for free. And each week we talk about a different topic around mental health. We have different speakers, different experts, and they'll be able to obviously sign up to that and gain value there as well. Now, the final feature before I show you how easy it is to get your employees signed up is your scores. And your scores is our way of getting some more kind of just supporting your employees in a different way, but also equally making it individual to them. So what we've done is we've worked with Dr. Lauren Callahan, who is our head of psychology that oversees all of the content within the feed. And we've created 6 mini engagement surveys. So based on work, based on connections and relationships, self-belief, lifestyle such as sleep, exercise, nutrition, mood and anxiety and worry. And really for us, these are 6 pillars of mental health. And every employee can come in and they can do these questionnaires whenever they feel like they want to. It's not really long engagement surveys. It's just 10 questions that they can come in. They can start to answer them honestly. And I'm just going to quickly just choose anything. So you can kind of see they'd be able to answer them honestly. And then based upon their answers, what we're then going to do is give them a baseline score. So we'll give them a baseline score based upon the answers that they've given. But what we're not trying to do is dictate to them. So here's your baseline score, but do you agree or disagree with the score? So we then give them that self-awareness to let us know why it should be higher, why it should be lower. It helps us improve the scoring system, but equally it makes it more of a collaborative project rather than us outlaying exactly what their score is. So we give them the baseline score, we give them the self-awareness to obviously agree or disagree, and then with the final version of the app, they'll be able to get suggestions too. So based upon your score, here's a meditation, here's a video, here's an article that you can maybe use for the next week or 2, 3 weeks, month, and then you can come back into your scores and retake it, whenever you want to retake it and see if that support has helped you. So this feature here is still in build. We're a couple of weeks away from launching it, but I did want to show it to you because of course by the time that your business might take on the app, it will be ready and it'll be ready to go. Now, before I show you how they gain access to the app, I also want to point out that it's 100% anonymous. So there's no way that we can trace back what an individual employee is looking at in terms of the content, in terms of what they're searching for, in terms of their scores. But what we can do is work with you, and you'll get a dedicated business psychologist from our team to report back with aggregated anonymous analytics and insights into what your employees are searching for, what content is your employees looking at, what overall scores are they getting, what are they adding to their toolbox. So we can feed back that anonymous analytics to you. And basically our business psychologist will be able to tell you, maybe this is some areas for support. Maybe this is what you can communicate out this week, or maybe this is what you need to focus on to help your employees' mental health as a whole. So really it kind of takes the guesswork out of it, and it saves you time, money, and of course resources in the process as well. So really that's a key feature of the app, is to be able to feed you back that analytics and insights company wide. But also at the same time, we can then send you trends, we can send you insights, reports across all of our users as well, to really kind of give you a bigger picture of where is well-being going in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So really kind of trying to help you with your well-being strategy rather than just giving you an app and letting everything else be taken care of by you. Now, just to give you a bit of context into how they sign up, what we'd do is we'll set you up your own company ID. Could be your company name, or it would be a numeric ID. We'll work with you on the creation of that. Then your employees will sign up using their work email. Again, we'll work with you on that. Or they might sign up using their personal emails. But again, that's all done up in the setup process. Then they'd set themselves a password and click sign up. Once they've done that, we send them a verification email that they verify their email. Once they've done that, they're into the platform. They're getting the support that I've just shown you. So we've tried to make it as quick as possible. And all they then need to do is go, obviously, to get it on their phone, onto the App Store, into Google Play, search for Everymind, download the app to their phone, download the app to their device, and then, of course, it's there. They've signed up. They can use it whenever they want to use it. So really wanted to show you this demo, but of course, I'd love to show you in a little bit more detail. It'd be great to jump on a call and take any questions that you might have. But I really do appreciate you listening to this video. And our mission is to really normalize mental health conversations in the workplace. It'd be great to hear from you, and thank you for watching.